Welcome to this video where we'll tackle a common problem that can occur when working with Laravel 10 and PHP 8.2. The problem at hand involves collecting data into an array using the collapse method in set requests where certain parameters are changed. The issue arises when the resulting array turns out to be empty, leaving us scratching our heads. But fear not, as we will walk through the solution step by step to get you back on track. In the solution provided, we first identified that ARR, collapse, accepts only one argument, which must be an array of arrays. The code snippet data equals ARR, collapse, $data, $query where get to array raise a red flag because it passes multiple arguments, with only the first one being utilized. This discrepancy causes the second argument to be ignored, leading to unexpected results. Understanding this distinction is crucial in resolving the issue at hand. To delve deeper into the solution, let's take a look at the internal workings of ARR, collapse. The method iterates over the array passed as an argument, consolidating values into a new array. It handles scenarios where the values are instances of collection or not arrays appropriately. By structuring the data in this manner, the merge operation ensures that the resulting array encapsulates all the necessary information seamlessly. Building upon earlier insights, we refine the approach to address the problem effectively. By initializing an empty array data and populating it within a loop, we ensure that each iteration captures the desired data accurately. Once all the data is aggregated, we apply ARR, collapse, to merge the individual arrays into a cohesive whole. This revised strategy optimizes the data collection process and mitigates the empty array issue encountered earlier. In summary, by revisiting the logic behind array manipulation using collapse and implementing a refined approach, we successfully overcome the initial hurdle. Understanding the nuances of array handling proves instrumental in streamlining data aggregation processes within Laravel 10 and PHP 8.2. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!